then you should go and love yourself.
Hey! 104.3 My FM.
Tomorrow, my wife's going to share her latest life hack for you, and we're going to see what's spinning in the Throwback Thursday jukebox. Till then, Mario Courtney Lopez, and good night.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you could feel good about. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars at the salon, having appointments take 3 hours, and not knowing the ingredients in your hair color? Then you should try Madison Reed. You may know us for our at-home hair color, but big news, we now have over 77 locations nationwide. We call them hair color bars. Book a service and let us take care of you. We will color your hair in half the time it takes at a typical salon and for a fraction of the price. For a limited time, new clients get 15% off your first hair color service at a Madison Reed hair color bar. Visit madison-reed.com/promo. That's madison-reed.com/promo. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Binge listen this and all your artist stations, plus any song from our library of millions of songs, all ad-free. Get your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
Socios de Walmart Plus obtienen entregas gratis, una suscripción a Paramount Plus y mucho más, porque tus ahorros y Walmart Plus combinan tan bien como chips con guacamole. O en este caso como popcorn con Criminal Minds Evolution. O como pizza congelada con la UEFA Champions League. O como hot dogs con Paw Patrol. ¿A que esa no te la esperabas, eh? O simplemente como tú, con la membresía de Walmart Plus. Suscríbete hoy en walmartplus.com. Incluye solo el plan Paramount Plus Essential. Se requiere registro.